Baby Mogul. Where learning about money is fun.
We counted coins and bills before, but can we count enough money to buy things? Let's find out! This apple costs 15 cents. If I use a dime and a nickel, I can pay for it. These crayons cost $3. That's three $1 bills. This teddy bear costs $12. I can use a $10 bill and two $1 bills. And this backpack costs $25. That's one $20 bill and one $5 bill. Now, let's practice buying things together. Which coins and bills can we use? Candy bar, 10 cents. Yes, a dime. Yay! Sandwich, $4. Correct, four $1 bills. Woohoo! Book, $7. Yes, that's $5 and two $1. Great job! Juice box, 25 cents. Right, a quarter. Yay! Ball, $2. Correct, two $1 bills. Yes. Toy car, $8. Yes, $5 and three $1. Awesome work. Ice cream, $3.50. Correct, three $1 bills and two quarters. Yay. Shoes, $15. Yes, that's a $10 bill and a $5 bill. Woohoo! Pizza slice, $2.25. Correct, two $1 bills and one quarter. Nice job. Headphones, $20. Yes, a $20 bill. Fantastic. Great job! Counting money helps us know if we have enough to buy what we want or need.
Baby Mogul. Smart money, happy hearts. See you next time.